Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we'll give you the actual view of a 3 BHK sample flat by Mahagun Group, that is Mahagun Mezzaria, which is of 3500 square feet. So here is the entrance lobby. And on the right side we have the living room. Here is an attached balcony. So friends, it's a spacious living room. Very well crafted with beautiful interior work. And now here comes the family room. The spacious family room. With lavish decoration. Here you can see the fantastic wooden work. Now here comes the dining hall. And here is the modular kitchen. Here you can see the utility area. So this is the entire view of the dining hall. And next we are moving towards the bedroom area. And here is the spacious bedroom of this flat. Now this is the view of second bedroom. Which is having an attached washroom. The room is skillfully designed. And this we have the third bedroom of this flat. Over there you can see the wardrobe section. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. So friends, in this video, we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat, which is of 3500 square feet, Mahagun Mezzaria, a premium project by Mahagun Group, which is located in Sector 78, Noida. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.